Good morning, my name is Quentin Berger. I'm part of the team here at MECAD Systems. I'm going to be holding a special seminar on SOLIDWORKS plastics on Thursday the 20th of August. If you do any kind of plastics part design or you design molds, you really need to join me. We're going to look at ways of predicting and avoiding those expensive manufacturing defects, eliminate that costly mold rework, improving the quality of your part design or your part itself, and improving those cycle times. Injection moldings are complicated, expensive processes. There's a mix of time, temperatures, pressures, materials, and tooling variables. And SOLIDWORKS Plastics allows us to play with those variables and understand and predict what will happen in the real life molding process. I'm going to be demonstrating SOLIDWORKS Plastics and looking at the impact of change versus the cost of change. If you can have an impact, or if you can change your design right in the beginning when you're doing your part design or your mold design, the impact of that change is massive. And as you move along the process, that impact becomes less and less, and the costs significantly increase. So as you're in production, changing the mold is really expensive and time consuming, but if you can do that right at the beginning of your process, it's really going to allow you to have that immediate impact of change at a very low cost. So join me as we host one of our customers in Cape Town that's using SOLIDWORKS Plastics. From PowerLogic, Bastian's going to be talking about how they use SOLIDWORKS Plastics at PowerLogic, and you're more than welcome to answer get some questions out to him and figure out how they use SOLIDWORKS Plastics in the real world. So please join us next week Thursday, register below, and we'd like to see you there. Goodbye.